On the road to fixing my credit and building my credit, I saw many tools that I didn't use, and some tools I did use, like a secure loan, a secure card. And it was this one tool that I end up using too that do both. It's basically, you get a loan and you can use it as a credit card. And that tool we're going to talk about today. All right, let's talk about it. Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. On this episode, we're going to talk about Grain Technology, a tool that I use to help level up my credit, and it's an amazing tool. Grain is a fintech bank that turns your debit card into a credit card. So you basically get a revolving line of credit like a regular credit card. But it's not a regular credit card. It could turn your debit card into, something you could take a loan from too, up to $1,000. So depending on your banking history, if you have good deposits, good savings in there, you could get up to $1,000. If it's not so great, it could be less. And if it's not good at all, then you have to probably put a deposit up. So that's how Grain works. And Grain is only on the Apple platform right now, so it's only in the App Store. So you have to have an iPhone, iPad, iMac, or something like that to use this. So Android users can't use this product right now. I mean, if you go in the App Store, nothing but raving reviews. So when I first started using this product, I did my research and I didn't feel comfortable. So I used the bank account that I don't be really using like that, because these fintech banks is new, they do new stuff, innovative stuff. So, I don't want nobody having access to my funds. So I basically use the bank account that I don't be putting funds in. So when I did that, everything worked out. They gave me $1,000 credit line. So it was showing up on my credit report as a positive trade line. And I never used my credit card as a debit card ever. I just took out money, took out a loan. You could take up to $990, and they're going to charge you a 1% fee, so it adds up almost to $1,000, 10 cents left over. So you could take out $500, $100, $300, $500, $600, $700 loan on it, and you have to have 30 days to repay it. Well, you can repay it all, which I do, or you could repay some. And even if you use it as a debit card, they only charge you 12% interest, which is way better than probably credit card you got in your pocket. Usually, especially, big banks, they charge you 20-some% interest on your credit card. So Grain only charge you 12% interest on your debit card if you use it as a credit card, and charge you 1% interest if you use it as a loan, which try getting a 1% loan anywhere. Not going to happen. I don't care if your credit is like 800, it's just going to be lowest, probably 6 point something percent, not 1%. But you also only have 30 days to pay it back anyways, in full if you want to. But like I said, you could pay it how you feel, because it's going to be a minimum payment. So, depending on what your goals are, you can pay it off or just put $100 on it and pay it off over time. But that's one way you could use Grain. Grain don't check your credit, so this is great for people with bad credit. Help you have a positive trade line on your credit report, and it reports to all three bureaus. And it's a great credit builder too. If you have no credit but you have banking history, this is a great product to use too, because it gives you a positive trade line, and it will help build your credit if you use other tools too, like a secure loan, a secure card, in this and Tangent. You will look really good. All right, so this is for people with bad credit or want to rebuild credit. Let me give you an example of how I use it. All right, so you'll go, okay, I gotta do this all the way. All right, let me give you an example of how I use it. So you'll go in your Grain app, right? Go in your Grain app, and then, your available credit, like mine is 1,000. And if you want to, if you want to give yourself a loan, then you just simply press this button in the middle and then withdraw credit. All right, so you withdraw the credit. You could put $990 if you have $1,000 available credit. Withdrawal, Oh shoot, I didn't really want to do that. But anyways, it's saying withdraw $990 will arrive in your checking account by today at 6 p.m. So basically, if you do it in the morning, by the evening you will get your money in your bank account. All right. So the only thing I'm left with is 10 cents now. So that's how you basically use the app. It's pretty easy. You could take out loans. Like I said, I never use my debit card as a credit card. I always use it as a way to take money out and get myself a loan, a 1% loan. You can't beat that anywhere. All right. So that's how you basically use the app. Green technology is a great tool for you to build your credit, get a positive trade line on your credit report, and to get a loan from. You know, you want some money in your pocket, boom, you get money in your pocket by the end of the day, period. So that's how it goes, and that's how it is. And if you like this, give me one of these, subscribe, talk to you on the next one, all right? Level Up Finance.